clean place, don't a show. And you got to take the rest of the house. So here when you never complain about the money again, no. You want it, not true? It's mad. You work hard so you play hard, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
No, me not laugh. No, me not laugh. No, me not laugh. Me not laugh. Seriously, me not laugh.
It's small,
Ladies, thank you very, very much again.
But two story now one, you eat and the whole of your chest nasty. You come like you need a dribbler.
Am I one in it?
Me not say nothing.
Am I cool?
Me not say nothing.
So if it's style up, am I own?
Then you not go and talk?
You can get liquid soap and salt out. That me I make it.
Liquid soap no make again.
Yeah, me know.
Woo! So then that's so one then you look how regular you drink them juice then one juice a choke and not make a beer so.
Well, I can't talk it.
You know so that's why I not care you're gonna work more time you go on bigger extra you know. One little
choke.
Oh, I know some people choke. Why you choke and I go on with yourself so?
No, but anybody can choke, so we are dealing with me, sir.
No, but are you gonna drink it again? You drink it again? This coming like a joke. You there. Man, they make Ministry of Health come take away nothing say COVID, you know. Can you go on a big and a cough and a...
No man is going a wrong throat.
It must go in the wrong throat because to all you drink and not be strong.
I saw my mom open up.
You see how when you see food you just a skin your teeth and a go on? No, look here, people. A dish here go Black Forest cheesecake.
Black Forest cheese.
Oh, I like it.
Cheese and
Watch your face, real
Look
please
here.
post.
We'll talk to you later. Never busy.
Busy.
12 seconds later.
Raquel, what do you? You getting a spirit? It tastes good?
What?
Oh God.
Look here. You see them cake, yeah? You can't just gluttonous with it. You have to just take your time. See it, yeah?
Give me a dip again. Let me see it. Let me see it. Go again. Let me see it. Oh! Now you know if you let go one of them. Yobo!
20 minutes later.
Bruh, set up.
You want to let Ed? Look at Let's see where I've gone. They love it.
You're married to talk to people, you know. So I call my friend when you're working.
I love that.
You understand?
So what's your part with my fight?
That video, you know.
Huh? You have to understand, you know. Let me tell you something up here. I'll be a damn food for you one by now. And then we have to push the car and go home. Now we have to be outside. Push it. Right now, I enjoy my thing right now.
You right some more of them.
Want to see how you manage it here now?
Yeah, man.
Let me see how you deal with it. Why not now?
You feel the pepper, you know what the pepper still, yeah?
Eh?
It's like a spice now.
The spicy pepper that.
Now we're not afraid. We're not afraid.
Dab it, dash right on it.
Yeah, respect.
Berry,
Yeah, man.
let me see you mash it up.
Hold on, man. So you pick off the head.
Yeah.
I'll show you how to do it. You take off the head.
Yeah?
But you have to eat it with style.
Style.
Yeah, man. I have to serious when you eat it. You can't too laugh.
Top it nice and eat something, no, man.
They can't rush me, man.
Alright, eat,
I'm
man.
not gonna bite, man.
Eat, man.
I have to pick off the head.
Jesus.
Hold on, man. They tell you. Pick off the head.
Yeah,
Pull it with pepper.
yeah,
And you eat it like a real Jamaican.
yeah,
Which part you come from?
yeah.
Which part you come from?
Jam.
Jamaica.
Yeah,
So we are dealing with it like a Jamaican.
yeah.
See, yeah? Oh, you are dealing with it?
No, you don't put it in your mouth. Yeah,
See it, yeah?
yeah. Yeah.
Full of pepper.
Yeah, pepper bunny, you know.
But all in don't mind that.
Liar tell.
Water.
Water.
What? No, hold on. What you want?
Thing there, what could I take now? Something with croissant or French toast. Oh, a number 6. Give me a number 6.
A number 6.
Uh-huh.
French toast.
Yeah, the French toast, yeah.
Coffee tea or hot chocolate.
Coffee.
Are there something?
Yes, miss, thank you.
People them think so we are foreign and now. So we have to just live it up, right? We have to just live up the accent. People don't go Jamaica, no foreign. No foreign, watch this.
Long.
So you had a hot chocolate?
Yeah, I want hot chocolate because my stomach, you know? Sometimes my stomach now can't manage the
We are going to receipt.
I'm just excited. I really want to every day Burger King that body. Yeah. Raquel Russell right here in what you say them again?
I never want you see what you do over there, so like nice, you know. Sorry, me never did tell you to change it and you're gone like a behave like skin down, you know what that. Yo! Yeah, allow.
Yeah. Alright, watch out, the whole carry up. Alright.
Yeah, pop it.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is your girl, Raquel Russell. Yeah, and we really want to introduce you to something where me and my friend here will deal with. And we want you to love it, you know. You try love it, you know. Alright, so really and truly, Jamaica, it's all about
So
Jamaica.
you're gonna start right over. This is your girl. Same thing what you say over there, so that was perfect. We are changing for now. Yeah, like a dumpling. Like a dumpling. Like you
I
cut
said
it.
dumpling. Alright.
Yeah, but you knead it up like a caramel dumpling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're not like, alright.
No, the same thing when you do over there, so was perfect. I stop changing. How much introduction you go want to do? We are going to spend the whole day and some people hungry.
You know, so all the while I like work with
It's
you.
not a matter of no work, but if you're going to do it, just do it good and done. Because you done over there, so you do it good. And it sound good. You come now, yeah. What that don't make sense. And then you complain about, I really mean, I have
Activate my sinus. Hold on, activate my sinus. Good. And that for each man.
Need to fix the road them though. Raquel and your people them run and say no time to them though. Olympics.
Yeah.
In the next.
Woo.
In the next.
Yeah.
Raquel, you know, so you come out and carry the car. Get up, you know. Jaja.